on, you can do it. Yay! Go! Where's that big doggy next door? Who's that big doggy? Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Let's wee on the grass. Very good. Can you get up? Oh dear. Oh dear. You want a hand? Yeah? You want a hand? Come on then. There it is. Oh. Oh, where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone?
Daisy, Daisy.
Give me your answer, do. Daisy, Daisy, hello. Where are the boys? Where are the boys? Go on, attack him. Attack him. Attack him. Let's go. Thank you. You got it. Cool. Where'd they gone? You was. Yeah, you stay out the way and you just watch them. What are they doing? Hello. You come to hide. Hey? What's he doing? Go, go, go. Good girl. Did they take your ball? Don't think we'll have that. Good girl. Very good. Oh, why don't they let you play? Ready? Go! Where'd they gone? Where'd they gone? Easy do? Easy do? You're gonna come hide? Go, go, go! Okay, second day, well, it's second night. No, it's not, it's Friday, it's Sunday night. We got Daisy on Friday night. So far we've been practicing getting her to come when she's called. Daisy! Daisy woo! Ah, here she is! She's so clever! She's so clever! And go! I'm getting a ball. Come on, come on. Good girl. Very good. And bring it back again. If BP will move out of the way. BP, come back. BP, come. Come. BP, stay. Daisy, go. Good girl. Come on. we? Daisy, well, good girl. Very good. Very good. You see how clever they are? 2 days and they're bringing the ball back. Yes, Border Collies are the best. Aren't they? They're the best. They're the best. And she's also only had one accident, one little tiddle on the floor. And she just takes herself out now, goes to her spot in 2 days. Right, you're going to have to fight for this one. You ready? Go! Where is it? Where is it? Good one. Oh, good girl. Come on then. Daisy woo. Where's the ball? Ignore him, you big bully. Daisy. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Very good. Very good. Oh. Oh. Go. All right, all right. Shut up. Go! Go! Beeps. Enough. Got her own sheep. Daisy wow. Daisy wow. Go on, get your sheep. Get your sheep. Good girl! Good girl! Tuck, 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 tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Oh, the poor little sheep. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Not sure this is how we really teach doggies how to herd sheep, but this is the Hartnell Baker way. Tuck, 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 tuck. Good girl. Where's your sheep? Where's your sheep? Where's your sheep? Where's your sheep? Good girl. Where's sheep? Where's sheep? Where's sheep? Good girl. Oh. Don't know. Where are you going with your sheepy? You bring it to me. You bring it to me. Whoa. Come on, bring it here. Good girl. Come on, bring it here. Good girl. Very good. Very good. Ready? Go. Not you. Where's your sheep? Daisy. Where's your sheep? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Go get it. Go get it. Good BP. Oh, shut up. Good try. Very brave. Very brave. Go on. Go get it. Ignore him. You big bully. Ready? Hey. Good girl. Good girl. You ready? Steady. Go. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Ignore him. Good girl. Go on. Take it outside. Oh, it's dark. You're taking it on your bed. That's it. Take it on your bed. Good girl. Take your sheep to bed. Take your sheep to bed. You're very clever. For 8 weeks old. Oh, and she's got a bone. I have never given one of these bones to an 8-week-old puppy before. But she's so chewy. Aren't you? You're so chewy. The bone's bigger than you. Say night-night. Psst, 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 psst.